Hey there. I heard you're curious about elephants. What would you like to know?
Oh, absolutely. I find elephants fascinating. Can you share some interesting facts about them?
Sure thing. Did you know that elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? They can grow to be several meters tall and weigh up to several tons.
Wow, they are truly massive. I've always wondered about their trunks. What exactly are they used for?
The trunk is truly incredible. Elephants use it for so many things. They can breathe through it, smell with it, and even grab objects. It's like having a built-in multi-purpose tool.
That's amazing. I've also heard that elephants are really social animals. Is that true?
Absolutely. Elephants are highly social creatures. They live in tight-knit family groups called herds, usually led by a matriarch. These herds help protect and care for one another, especially the young ones.
That's so heartwarming. Speaking of young ones, do you know how long elephants are pregnant for?
Yes, indeed. Elephant pregnancies last for about 22 months, which is one of the longest gestation periods among mammals. It's quite remarkable, don't you think?
Definitely. It shows how patient and resilient these animals are. And what about their tusks? I've always wondered why they have them.
The tusks. They are elongated teeth that continue to grow throughout an elephant's life. They serve various purposes, like digging for water, defending themselves, or even stripping bark off trees to eat. Unfortunately, their tusks have made them targets for poachers, which is a serious threat to their population.
That's really unfortunate. It's important for us to protect these incredible creatures. Is there anything being done to help them?
Absolutely. Many organizations and individuals are dedicated to elephant conservation. They work to enforce laws against poaching, raise awareness, and protect their natural habitats. It's a collective effort to ensure elephants have a safe and sustainable future.
That's fantastic to hear. We must all do our part to protect these majestic animals. Thanks for sharing all these wonderful facts, my friend. I'm excited to spread the word and create awareness about elephant conservation.
You're most welcome, my friend. I'm glad I could share this knowledge with you. Together, let's inspire others to appreciate and protect these magnificent creatures. Good luck with spreading the message through your endeavors.